Hello everyone, Jai Swaminarayan, Contributor Personal Development Program, and the subject code is 316002, semester 6. So let's go ahead. Once we listen this word Contributor Personal Development Programs, the ideas comes in your mind. Unit number 3, engaging deeply. So how do we engage deeply? So अगर मैं स्टूडेंट की बात करूँ तो द स्टूडेंट्स एबिलिटी टू क्विकली अंडरस्टैंड एंड मास्टर व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन, dive deep, get involved in any area, and rapidly learn new capabilities that a job demands is important. So engaging deeply is a core way of thinking that can help them in this situation. So student can learn how to engage deeply where you are. So look at here on the qualities of a contributor personality. The contributor proactively takes up work. The contributor focuses on the goal being achieved, not just routine work. The contributor is committed to the responsibilities of his role. He is not a clock watcher. The contributor special last melee execution. The contributor acts appropriately in each situation. So this is the qualities of a contributor. Look at here, and this is the quality of a non-contributor. He is a person who is clock watcher. वो non-contributor होगा. Sir, I need your guidance and granted permission in this project. Your idiots will never improve. Can't see, I am busy. आप देख नहीं रहे हो कि मैं busy हूँ काम में. Right now, go, get lost, don't disturb me. सो अ पर्सन आपके पास परमिशन कोई लेने आया, कोई गाइडेंस लेने के लिए आया है, कोई एडवाइस लेने के लिए, नेवर डू दिस. दिस इज नॉट द वे ऑफ थिंकिंग एंड वे ऑफ just insert a person. Now, what if we observe a contributor identity? In what way does it become helpful and how are they valued to workplace? तो वर्कप्लेस में उनका कैसा परफॉर्मेंस है? लुक एट हियर, कंट्रीब्यूटर, प्रिंसिपल एंड स्टूडेंट. ओके, यस श्योर बेटा, डोंट वरी, आई विल गाइड यू. Sir, I need your guidance and granted permission in this project. So look at here, the contributor, principal and student both are contributor. The contributor focuses on we, not I. Non-contributor, I have a chance. I will play the lead role and I will get all credits for myself. Only myself. What about us यार? We also worked hard. ये सब ऐसा हो गया. We also worked hard for annual function and he is going to take all the benefits from himself. Wow, dear friends, we will perform very well together. We'll enjoy a lot. Hooray! With smiling. So these all are contributor के नहीं फ्रेंड्स. हमने लुक एट ईयर 2011 में जो क्रिकेट हम खेले थे एंड वी हैव वन द मैच लाइक दैट. सो फ्रेंड्स को नॉट वी बट पर्सन टेक नॉट द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ओनली. आई कंट्रीब्यूटर नॉन कंट्रीब्यूटर वो आई के ऊपर ही वो रिस्पॉन्स लेगा. बट person who is a contributor, he takes not only I but my friends who is always helping me. Non-contributors in workplace and contributors in workplace: sad, unproductive, non-responsible. Contributors in workplace: happy, productive and responsible forever. Now let's see an intro to some living legends or well-known contributor personalities with their inspirative thoughts and contributing works. Swami Vivekananda: strength is life, weakness is death. This is the quotation by Swami Vivekananda. Arise, awake and stop, not till the goal is achieved and reached. Dhirubhai Ambani, founder of Reliance, Gurubhai of Indian economical market. questions. Now we are going to solve the questions. Astha works in the customer sales office of the passenger ship company which offers holiday cruises. Her boss congratulates her for meeting her target. She has achieved a success because you have to select the options from A, B and C and D. Falguni applied for participating in the cookery contest show on TV. She did not win but was chosen for the second round. How can you help her to expand her vision of success? So you have to read the options A, B and C. Then after you have to select it. Karuna and Ajitab joined as trainees in a hotel. After 10 years, Karuna has become the manager. Ajitab is the assistant manager. He is respected highly by his team for always encouraging and developing their capability. From your understanding of success, which of the statements is correct? So none of them are successful. Ajitab is successful, Karuna is successful, and both of them are successful. You have to choose the option from A, B or C or D. Jamnalal has started a business of manufacturing ball bearings. What course of action should he take to achieve both inner and outer success? So here is option A, B and C. You have to select the best options from these. PT Usha is regarded as one of the greatest athletes of our country who has also started an athletic training school for young girls. She said that she wants to ensure that India wins in international events. What does that tell you about her? So you have to look at here and reread the question 2 times. Her career is focused to make herself famous as an athlete. Her career is focused on improving her own capability, first as an athlete and later as a coach in athletics. Her career is focused on to make herself famous as a coach and as an athlete. Her career is focused on making Indian athletes win international events and she is working towards achieving that purpose. Dilip is a commerce graduate and has been offered a job from a bank. Which approach should he use so that he can grow in his career as a contributor? So you have to reread the options 2-3 times and put your positions 2 minutes on Dilip. What you are a commerce graduate student, like that. Harsha is a postman. When he is focused on expanding his capacity to contribute most. So A, B, C and D, you have to think like that. Tanuja is a computer teacher in a school. What should she does to choose both an external and inner growth vision? Apart from doing her work well and helping the school, she should volunteer to teach the non-teaching staff on how to use computers or software so that their work becomes easier. Beyond doing her work well, she should think how she can help her school. For example, suggest antivirus software for the computers. She should do her work well and also read up on the latest developments in computer software. She should make sure that whatever work she does, it is always up to date and completed. So you have to select the option from A, B and C and D. Thank you very much, dear all.